all right. I'll just go ahead and sing at home. So
Yeah,
we do
I
have
know.
a lot of here.
Yeah, I know.
And thank you. I'm sorry again. Going back, I have your account.
How many chickens do you have?
I have your account. Oh, I cannot count all of them. There's a lot. There's a lot of it. No, there's too many.
Too many?
Too many to count. So, yeah. All right. So, going back. Sorry, I got distracted
It's
with
fine.
chickens. Anyway, I have your account pulled up, and thank you also for being part of Metro by T-Mobile family. It's been a while. I can see it here. And so far, your account is up to date with a payment. Thank you. You've been one of our good payer customers. Okay, I'm gonna send it now. Oh,
Just take care of the chickens. And I want some eggs when you have it.
oh, okay. I'm gonna send it to you, but
Oh.
all right. Yes, sir. Thank you. Also,
Thank you.
Thank you for appreciating our
I'm
chickens here.
gonna leave you nice survey.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Also, sir, there might be a very quick survey if the
Yes.
call disconnects.
I will-
Hopefully you can
I will
take
give
care
you-
of that for us. Can I count you in?
I will give you the best survey, don't worry.
Oh, wow.
For the chicken.
Thank you. Well, appreciate it, sir. And also, please commit Metro whenever possible. Thank you in advance, and I'll connect you over. Please stay on the line, and please listen to the survey.